I use my mom's homemade rice water and mask daily, and the result was phenomenal. Hello, annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find all the Korean beauty info in one eye. As announced in the previous rice toner video, today's video will be all about DIY rice mask. Rice has been a game changer for my skin, and it's a great ingredient to add in summer as it tackles hyperpigmentation, dullness, wrinkles, and excessive oil. Today I'll show you how to make my super easy DIY rice mask and the selection of Korean rice mask products, including the new one from Beauty of Joseon. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Before you kickstart, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Rice is an iconic Asian skincare ingredient used for centuries, and it was the first ingredient that transformed my dull, uneven, and acne-prone skin. Back when I was in my late teens to early 20s, I used my mom's homemade rice water and mask daily, and the result was phenomenal. I've seen other videos making DIY rice mask, which seemed a bit complicated to me as they involved boiling rice, using blenders, storing them in the fridge for days, and so on. While they seem great, like something you'd buy, my question is, who has time to do all that? As a lazy skincare enthusiast, I thought those were a bit too much. What do you think? I'll show you an easy, practical method which may not seem that glamorous, but this is simple and effective. Let me show how this is made right now. To make this rice mask, all you need is rice and water. First, wash about 1 cup of rice or any amount you need to cook and eat later. Briefly wash the rice once to remove any dirt, then pour out the water. For the second wash the rice thoroughly and save the water in a container. Repeat 2 to 3 times, refilling with clean water each time. Let the collected rice water sit for 3 to 5 hours or longer. You can store it in the fridge if you want to make it cold or use it the next day. So you're simply washing and leaving it. Take this container with you into the bathroom when you're ready to do your night skincare routine. After double cleansing, pour the rice water into a basin. Make sure you keep it in there. After pouring out the rice water, you will see a gooey substance at the bottom of the container. This is your rice mask. Spread it over your face and leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes until it hardens. Rinse it off with the rice water in the basin for 30 seconds to a minute. Finish with a final wash using clean, lukewarm water. That's it. Simple, quick, and practical. I've used this homemade rice water and mask every night for almost 3 years. Consistent use made my face brighter, improved redness, even skin tone, and acne became history. Without any knowledge back then, I just thought rice was great for skin brightening and controlling oil and acne. Now that I know that rice is packed with antioxidants to prevent premature aging, and it's rich in vitamin B3 niacinamide, which explains its effectiveness. Based on this fact and my own personal experience, I've included rice as one of the top 3 ingredients to tackle acne in my free PDF guide, Top 3 Ingredients Your Skin Will Love. This is a simple and easy free guide to help you find your top 3 ingredients for your skin concerns. Feel free to download it from the link below. I'll leave it in the comment section to help you to achieve youthful, glowing skin. For those of you who found my simple DIY rice mask not so simple, I get you, don't you worry. I think it's that easy to make, but not everyone's the same. So if you're one of those, here are some of the Korean rice mask products that I recommend. Beauty of Joseon Ground Rice and Honey Glow Mask. The new wash-off mask from Beauty of Joseon. This gentle wash-off mask combines the benefits of rice, honey, and multi-sized grains for gentle exfoliation. What's so great about this wash-off mask is that it doesn't dry out your skin like most other wash-off mask does. My dry skin absolutely loved it. This wash-off mask features gentle kaolin clay, ideal for sensitive or dry skin, and effectively absorbs oil, making it great for oily skin as well. It glides on smoothly with multi-sized grains for gentle exfoliation. Enriched with rice hull powder and 5% honey extract, it brightens, evens out the skin tone, hydrates and soothes the skin. Its subtle smell of rice and honey is very pleasant. After about 10 minutes, it didn't make my skin feel dry or tight as this is a wet mask. See how it easily wipes off? As it feels moist with multi-sized grains, it can feel a bit messy during the wash-off process, but it leaves your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. This is a hydrating wash-off mask with benefits of rice and honey that's priced around $30 for 150 mils. At Stylevana, it's on sale right now, and remember, using my discount code below, you can get it for even cheaper. If you're looking for an effective, fragrance-free rice wash-off mask, here is my recommendation. House of Dohwa White Rice Wash-Off Mask. I featured this previously in my shorts video as I instantly fell in love with this. This is a divine and elegant rice wash-off mask, perfect for those of you looking for a smooth, nourishing experience. This rice mask feels soft and nourishing on the skin with 9 kinds of rice bran extract to hydrate, soften and brighten your skin. It also has tiny rice grains for gentle exfoliation, much smaller than those in the Beauty of Joseon mask. This is also a wet mask that doesn't dry out, making your skin feel tight. See how it easily wipes off after leaving it on for 10 minutes? End it by washing it off with lukewarm water to reveal smooth, bright and refreshed skin. This wash-off mask can also be used as an exfoliant with much smaller and gentler grains, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. This is priced around $20 for 100 mils. If you're interested in shopping for any of the products I mentioned in today's video, all the shopping links and discount codes will be down in the information section below, so go and check them out. And please leave a comment down below. What did you think about my easy DIY rice mask? Easy to make or not so easy to make? Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty video. Annyeong!